Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today I am continuing the topic of instant subtraction. This is the part 2. Hope you have seen the part 1. So that will be easy for you to understand this concept. Again I'll repeat the sutra applied is Nikhilam Dashatam Charamam, which means all from 9, last from 10. Let's see, the previous video I had all the numbers starting it with 1. Now I have applied the numbers and given you 5, 7, 9 and 8000. So these are multiples of 1. So how will we solve using this sutra? The concept of last all from 9, last from 10 starts from here. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. And as I said, preceding number minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. And this is your answer. Right? Let's do the same thing over here. We can try and apply to move in from this way. Why not? Let's start. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. And the last one, 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is your answer. Try and solving this sum with like from the left to right, you will have a better vision of doing the sum. Let's see. Now this, if you look at this number, again I have a common 0 at the end. So this has to be 0. Let's start solving the sum again from this side. This is minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. And this would be your 10 because you have 0 over here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And this is your answer. Isn't it very simple? Try solving this. This is your homework. Thank you.